I think I just made a huge mistake. This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and today I'm taking it apart. Now this phone is insanely expensive, so let's hope this goes well. Alright, let's get to opening up the phone. Today is day 6 of our 30-day challenge. If you're interested, be sure to check out the challenges playlist. I can't wait to see what's inside the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I'm sure Apple will surprise us this year. To open the phone, we must first remove the screws at the bottom of the iPhone and apply heat to the device. Interestingly, all models in the iPhone 17 series open from the... Therefore, a single wrong move could result in costly damage. We use alcohol to loosen the adhesive. It is crucial to apply it correctly and in the right amount, otherwise we risk damaging a $300 touchscreen. That is why we carefully and gently open the iPhone using a blade. Okay, this is insane. Why would Apple design it like this? This makes no sense. Everything has changed compared to the previous generation, from the design to the way the phone opens and all the internal components, which I find a bit strange. What a massive battery! One of the best features of the new iPhones is precisely their large batteries, which offer significantly better battery life. The phone's circuit board has become much smaller, whereas the camera, with its high-quality lenses, has grown larger by comparison. So that wraps up the iPhone 17 Pro Max teardown video. We've taken it completely apart. If you enjoy this type of video, be sure to let us know in the comments and share your thoughts on the iPhone 17 Pro Max with us. I've posted many videos like this on my channel, so be sure to check them out. And don't forget to like and leave a comment. Thanks for watching until the end.